Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a curious little boy named Timmy. One day, while exploring his backyard, Timmy stumbled upon a mysterious, glowing rock. As he picked it up, he felt a strange sensation. Suddenly, a whirlwind appeared, and out popped a tall, silver figure. "General Zod, at your service," boomed the figure. Timmy was scared at first, but General Zod had kind eyes. "Don't be afraid, Timmy," he said. "I'm here to help." Timmy, though still a bit nervous, asked, "Who are you, and what are you doing here?" General Zod explained, "I'm from another planet, and I've been lost for a long time. I was searching for a place to rest when I found your backyard." Timmy, feeling a sense of responsibility, offered, "You can stay here as long as you need. I'll help you find a way back home." General Zod was grateful. "I have a map," he said, revealing a shiny, golden disc. "But I can't read it. You must help me decipher it." Together, they spent the day studying the map, learning about stars, planets, and constellations. Timmy found it fascinating, and General Zod was delighted to share his knowledge. As the sun began to set, Timmy asked, "Can I sleep under the stars with you tonight, General Zod?" General Zod smiled. "I would be honored, Timmy. But remember, I'm stronger than I look. Don't be afraid if I move around in my sleep." That night, they lay under the stars, Timmy and General Zod. Timmy felt safe and content, knowing he had a new friend. The next day, they set off on their journey, following the map and the stars. Timmy learned so much, not just about space, but also about friendship and kindness. And as they journeyed, Timmy and General Zod grew closer, their bond unbreakable. They had found something truly precious in each other, a friendship that would last a lifetime. Eventually, they reached General Zod's home planet. With a heavy heart, Timmy said goodbye. But he knew he would always remember their adventure, and the lessons he had learned. From that day forward, Timmy became a stargazer, looking up at the night sky, hoping to catch a glimpse of General Zod, his friend from another planet. And every time he did, he felt a warm, familiar feeling in his heart. The end.